you're having this issue where your iPhone is not ringing when someone calls you and you may be missing important calls from friends, family, or even work, then I'll show you a couple of solutions to this problem. And by the end of this video, you should have your iPhone ringing normally again. One of the first things which you want to check is an option called Attention Aware Features. This is a Face ID setting that can automatically lower the volume of your ringtone when you're looking at your phone. If something isn't working right here, your phone might not ring at all. So to check this, you'll want to open your settings on iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option. The phone's going to prompt you to enter in your passcode, so just do that. And then go a bit down until you see this Attention Aware Features. If this option is enabled for you, then the phone will automatically lower your iPhone ringer volume every time that you look at it while it's ringing. The sensors on your iPhone will see your eyes, and they will automatically tell the iPhone to lower the volume, so you want to turn this feature off and then make a couple of test calls and see if your iPhone rings normally again. Fix number 2 is a pretty straightforward fix, and that is to check if you have any of the focus mode or the do not disturb mode enabled or turned on. If this is enabled, sometimes it happens automatically. Then your iPhone will block out calls. Maybe someone calls you, but the iPhone won't let the phone ring. It won't let anyone disturb you. And that's why you cannot hear the phone ring. And when you have an incoming call, so you want to open your control center and then either turn off do not disturb or turn off any of your focus mode, because these are potentially the main causes for your problem. So they are designed to block out any calls do you have incoming, so turn these off and then see if the phone rings. A common cause for this issue are the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. So maybe you've connected your Bluetooth headphones or a Bluetooth speaker and you've used them for an hour or two and you forgot to disconnect your Bluetooth headphones from your iPhone, and this causes the issue where every incoming call that you have will be rerouted to the Bluetooth headphones. So instead of going to the iPhone speaker, the phone will ring through your Bluetooth headphones, and that's why your iPhone is not ringing. So to disconnect your headphones or your speaker or other Bluetooth devices, all you need to do is go over to your Bluetooth settings on iPhone, then either disconnect the headphones which you have connected and which you're using, or disable the Bluetooth toggle completely, and then the incoming calls should start ringing through your iPhone speakers, and that's what we want. Sometimes you don't hear that someone's calling you because maybe you've lowered the volume when you watch the YouTube video or when you've played a song or something, and if you have the option enabled where you can change your ringer with volume buttons, then you've accidentally lowered your ringer volume. So let's fix that. You'll want to open the settings, then hop over to the sounds and haptics section. You can see that I have this little change with buttons toggle enabled, and you can see that when I lower the volume on my phone with my volume and buttons, the ringer volume will go down also. So from now on, when someone calls us, the ringer volume will be really, really, really low. And this is why we cannot hear it. So to fix this, just disable this change with buttons toggle. Make sure that your volume slider is set all the way to the right side to the maximum. And then even though you change your iPhone's volume with the buttons, so maybe you increase it or decrease it, the ringer volume won't change at all. It will be set to the maximum, and that's what we want if we want to hear our incoming calls. Also, you can use the action button or the silence or ringer switch, depending on the iPhone model you have, and make sure that the ringer mode is enabled. Most of you set the iPhone into silent mode, and when it's in silent mode, you won't hear the iPhone ringing because all the alerts notification sounds and the ringer won't be heard. So make sure to set the ringer mode on, and that's essentially it. Those are some of the steps which I have for you in order for you to fix the incoming calls not ringing on iPhone in 2026 or later. So if you have any other fixes for this issue which solved your problem, please make sure to leave them in the comments down below so we can help even more people. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon.